Boom shakalaka, the charts we have nowadays for Bitcoin are incredible. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at some very awesome charts and taking a look at what all this means for Bitcoin, because it seems like the trend is about to turn. Plus, we're going to take a look at why MATIC is looking exactly like Ethereum did before it 5 to 10x'd back in 2017. You'll definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at a bunch of really awesome Bitcoin charts and see what we can pull from all of that data. Before we do, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love, where every week we give away one of these sweet shirts. And also, today's episode is sponsored by Energy, so stay tuned till the end for a sponsored review. Now, if we start on this long-term Bitcoin chart, BLX, the Brave New Coin Liquid Index. This basically shows the whole history of Bitcoin, and this is a weekly chart. And if we take a look at this on a weekly time frame and scroll down here to the RSI, we can see that pretty much anytime this RSI broke the trend line, like right here, picked out a bottom. RSI broke the trend line right here, picked out a bottom. Broke it again right here, picked out a bottom. Broke it yet once again, picked out pretty much a bottom. Well, if we take a look at where we are right now, it is not yet broken that trend line. So it tells me that we might not yet actually have a bottom. But more than that, it makes it unlikely that what we've seen recently was the top. You see, because we have some crazy charts going on, like this one right here from Vince Prince over on TradingView. He calls this Bitcoin develops third historical wave count expansion fractal. A lot of words out there. But basically, he says there's three stages of the wave count expansion fractal. There's the first stage here in red, which is the wave count bottom with the beginning of initial wave A. There's the second in green, which is the pre-setup channel for an incoming volatility breakout. And then there's a third channel, which is the final target projection at the magic 4.618 Fibonacci extension. And he's saying that, hey, Bitcoin is about to repeat what it has done twice before. So if we take a look, we have the one right back here in 2013. And then we have this pre-setup channel in green, where we kind of have a little bit of a bounce back before it zooms up to the 4.618 right there, the blue, back in 2013. So that's the first time it did it. Then we see it again here, starting in 2015 to 2017. Okay, same exact thing. The red to the green, a little bit of a pullback before going on to the 4.618 fib. Well, he's saying we are doing that once again. You can see right here, we had the one starting the COVID bottom back in 2020. And then right now we have this pre-setup channel for an incoming volatility breakout that's been going on for quite a while, just basically going sideways before we're about to explode up to the 4.618, which would put Bitcoin around $280,000. Which would be quite incredible sometime in 2022. But that's not all, my friends, because there's a lot of other really interesting charts out there, like this one from the Real Plan C. Massive bounce off the same level we found support at October 2020 before a huge 189-day uptrend. When the 140-day delta gradient flips positive, it indicates an expected uptrend that is at least in play for at least 140 days from the flip point. So we can see here where it broke through the bottom, came back up, broke through the bottom, and then bounced off of it before we had the 189-day uptrend. Well, we broke through to the bottom, we came back up, and then we just bounced off of it recently, which could be sending Bitcoin quite parabolic. And you'll see a trend here in a lot of the charts we're looking at. Pretty much every chart is looking bullish, which is really, really good, signaling probably the best buying opportunity since the COVID bottom back in March 2020. Now, Bitcoin supply is moving from a liquid to an illiquid state at a rate of 100,000 Bitcoin per month. Illiquid coins are sent to an address with little history of spending, generally associated with investor accumulation and bull market buys. You can see all the capitulation happened during that first drop from roughly 68 or 69, what was that, 65,000 down to about 30. All the capitulation happened back there. As a matter of fact, it almost equaled what happened at the top in 2018. You can see almost the same size. But over the past few months, we have 100,000 Bitcoin per month accumulation, which likely will send the price even higher. And if we take a look here, Bitcoin's broken out of the multi-month downtrend on the daily momentum indicator. So you can see here, this is the momentum indicator. Again, similar to what we did with the RSI, every time it broke out, guess what? Bitcoin broke upwards in price. Broke out, broke upwards in price. Guess what? We just had a breakout. Well, likely to break upwards in price. And Willy Woo posted this one the other day. Even the NVT signal, which is a granddaddy as far as on-chain indicators go, it still works. It often does not show oversold as much as it's showing right now. We can see all the way down here, extremely oversold, like when Bitcoin was at $30,000, like when it was at $3,000 or $4,000 of COVID, like when it was at these much lower points previously. You can see over the past 4 or 5 years, there's only been about 6 signals there, period. And this chart right here from William Clemente saying, hey, it's looking like we could be getting a short squeeze building. He's still waiting for the trigger at $53,000 close, but it seems like it's going to trigger. Same thing that happened back here where we had the aggregated open interest increasing, the long-short accounts ratio decreasing. Well, we had a short squeeze happen from that. Same thing is happening right now. And this number is very important for William Clemente. He mentions this a lot. And this brings to my idea of 2 numbers to look for. So if Bitcoin breaks $53,000, very bullish, absolute buy signal. If it goes down to $30,000, I would say that is very bearish because that would be completing a double top, which could send the price down to $10,000. Now, granted, it's never broken below a previous all-time high after a halving event, but, you know, that's just what the chart would say. Which brings us to this last chart, very exciting chart. I made a video not too long ago talking about how I think MATIC is probably my favorite coin for 2022. And if we take a look at the MATIC chart, we can still see it's looking quite a bit like Ethereum did in 2017. We can see this little bit of a coiling right here, and then on the RSI we have these tops, these bottoms, even a coiling on the RSI. Well, this was Ethereum in 2017 when it went from roughly $250 all the way up to, like $1,500. So it increased quite a bit back then. Well, MATIC could potentially be doing the same exact thing. Maybe going to like a $7 to $10 MATIC, which could be quite incredible for all MATIC holders. Not only that chart, because we've had massive Ethereum whales buying up a ton of MATIC or Polygon since this announcement right here, that Polygon is bringing EIP 1559 upgrades to its network with a testnet release. So the same thing that Ethereum did, where it introduced EIP 1559 to make Ethereum deflationary, Polygon is going to do the same exact thing. Now, right now it's in testnet, but eventually it'll go to mainnet. And as soon as it goes to mainnet, guess what? That moment, MATIC becomes deflationary because there's already a fixed supply of it. So that is pretty exciting for Polygon at this moment. But I gotta say, everything right now looking great for Bitcoin. Certainly HODL territory. Just buckle up and enjoy the ride because it's going to be awesome. And if you enjoyed that episode, make sure to like and subscribe. Now, today's episode is sponsored by Energi. So this is a sponsored review, so clearly do your own due diligence. It's not an endorsement of the project. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm just presenting the project to you, and then you can do your own due diligence and figure out if this is something that you're interested in. Now, there's a lot to cover in this. They have a bunch of news and announcements and a bunch of stuff going on, so I'll try to cover it all. But if this isn't enough, there will be links down in the pinned comment, and you can also go to their website, energi.world. So, first thing here, this is their website. You can see right here, Energy Swap is live. I'll be showing you this shortly, but you can trade now with low fees, industry-leading security, and 24/7 support. So Energi is a cryptocurrency for world consciousness. It's the most versatile blockchain in existence, the only cryptocurrency that combines these 4 things. And this one right here, the self-funding treasury, is very interesting, and it's allowed them to endure for a long time while a lot of other projects have not been able to. So, Ethereum compatible smart contracts enabling the best EVM and DeFi applications to work seamlessly on Energi, on-chain governance providing blockchain security and industry-leading user protections, a powerful layer 2 masternode network with their dual-layer architecture. Energi is designed to handle tens of thousands of transactions per second while retaining high decentralization, and a self-funding treasury bootstrapped with no ICO pre-mine, has no reliance on VCs or external funding. So you can check out their website where they talk about the 4 pillars and a lot more. The economics or the tokenomics would be right there. Energy Swap we're going to take a look at as well. First self-funding cryptocurrency project. We talked about that. You can check out their team. They have a whole bunch of team members, so you should definitely go take a look at them. But let's get on to some of the news. So in their Medium recently, they have a whole bunch of news going on, a bunch of things, very busy few weeks. So they're doubling their referral rewards, announcing their yield farming contest, expanding yield farming options with 19 new cryptos added to their liquidity pools, unveiling their huge referral contest with $21,000 in total prizes for grabs, launching the world's first referral program on a decentralized exchange, and kicking it all off with the live launch of yield farming on energy swaps. So they have a whole bunch of stuff going on, and you can check out their Medium to find out more information. But we're going to take a look at some of these articles here. So there are doubling referral rewards right now. So users can now get 20% discount on all trades. Affiliates can now earn 20% commissions, essentially doubling the discount on transaction fees up to 20% for all users. Not only that, but they have a huge energy swap referral competition beginning. $10,000 grand prize, $21,000 in total rewards. You can see the rewards right here. And the referral reward contest, the top 5 affiliate accounts with the highest amount of referral trade commission during the first 100 days of the referral program will share the combined prize package of $21,000 paid in USDC stablecoin. The breakdown: $10,000 for first, $5,000 second, $3,000 third, $2,000 fourth, and $1,000 for fifth. Now, if we go and we take a look at Energy Swap right here, we can see some of the top pairs right here ranked in terms of liquidity. So we have Energy USDE, Energy Day, Energy ETH, Energy Solana, Energy Doge, Energy Bitcoin, MATIC, SAN, AVAX, Luna, Mana, BNB, XRP, Phantom 1, HNT. You can see they have a whole bunch of pairs right here available on their swap, and you can check out all of those. But not only that, they also have farming now available, and you can see the different farming pools that they have here, like USDC DAI, and ETH DAI, ETH USDC, USDC energy. And if you scroll through these, I actually noticed earlier that Shiba energy, look at this, 107% rewards. So pretty high rewards on some of them. Now, they also have Energy Bridge Live, which allows you to bridge assets between Ethereum and the Energy chain. And this will soon be incorporated with Binance Smart Chain as well to enhance bridging of assets between the chains. And they have a big announcement about NFTs going on right now, the whitelist contest for new Energy Dragons NFT collections. So you can see here they're preparing to launch their Energy NFT marketplace and an Energy Dragons NFT collection within the first half of 2022. Here's a sneak peek of the concept art, and I'll also put a couple other images on the screen so you can see some of the other images that they have there. Now, their NFT whitelist competition, basically they'll be giving away one guaranteed whitelist spot every day leading up to the Energy Dragons NFT launch. Winning a whitelist spot guarantees each recipient an exclusive chance to acquire an Energy Dragons NFT before the public sale. They expect the Energy Marketplace to be one of the most popular projects based on the trends. So if you're interested in this, you definitely want to go check out their Telegram, their Twitter, and their other socials. And that is all today for Energy. Thank you very much for sponsoring the episode. Guys, make sure to check out Energy, their website, energy.world. Also, the links down in the pinned comment. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Peace.